Hi guys, I've got chemistry in a baggie for you today. So I'm going to do this little demonstration for you, and your job is to collect as much evidence as you can to determine whether this is a chemical or a physical change. So I'm going to change cameras here so you can see what's going on. Change my camera here to my document camera. Okay, so what you can see is I've got a gallon-sized plastic bag. All right, I've got some of this stuff. This is called damp wood. This is calcium chloride. Okay, and then I've got baking soda, which you guys probably are aware of, and I've got a little vial of water here. This is an old film canister. You may not recognize this, but this allows me to put the water in the canister and control how I'm going to dump it out. And then I've got some of this stuff. Okay, this is a universal indicator solution. This changes color based on the pH of the solution. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little bit of this stuff, and as you'll be able to see, this is green. All right, and then I'm going to take and put this, a couple of drops of it, into my water. All right, and then I'm going to close the lid. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of baking soda into my bag. All right, and then I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of damp red, the calcium chloride, into my bag. 1, 2. So there. So I'm going to give it a little shake to mix it up a little bit. All right. So now you can see it's all mixed up down in there. The flaky parts are the damp red, and then the powder stuff is the baking soda, which you guys know. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take and put my vial of water into the bag, and I'm going to zip up the bag. All right, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to open the vial of water very carefully. I don't want to tear my bag here, and it is very easy to tear doing it this way. So you got to be careful. So there, now you can see that my vial of water is with our indicator solution is in there. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to dump out the vial into the powder, and we're going to see what happens. So dump it out. You see the green color. You might be able to hear there's fizzing going on. You can see, can you see the color change? It went from green to pink, and you can see the pink and the yellow there. You can hear, I can hear it fizzing really good, and with my hand, I can feel that it's getting warm. So what I want to know then is what evidence do we have of what's going on here? Do we have evidence of a chemical change, or do we have evidence of a physical change? You guys decide and use your claim, evidence, and reasoning graphic organizer to defend your argument. Good luck.